Swadika, hi everyone, welcome to Pig Lockery in Kenlos. This is the Black Sprout Waterfall. So it's nice nature, relaxing. สวยค่ะ มีเห็ดให้ดูด้วย Pass a lot of wild mushroom here. Don't know what kind, but it look quite nice. So you might like to see. And having a good day here and relaxing. And I hope you guys out there having a wonderful day wherever you are. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely day. And let's go and see this waterfall, which is I really felt this place is amazing and peaceful too. Thank you again. Here's the waterfalls coming. I hope you guys liked it and love you all, my friend. ขอบคุณนะคะที่เข้ามารับชมและยังเป็นเพื่อนกันอยู่ ขอบคุณทุกท่านค่ะ I would like to thank everyone for watching. I really appreciate ขอบคุณมากนะคะที่เข้ามาทักทายมาเที่ยวน้ำตกค่ะพักผ่อนหย่อนสมอง Come here to unwind, my friend. Nice, you know. It's a hard day work. I hope you guys having a lovely day out there. God bless everyone. Thank you very much.